How to show Discord game activity on mobile devices. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Content and Social, which is the third option. Scroll down, you'll find Server Settings. Click on Server Defaults. Now select the server you want to show your activity in. Then, at the bottom, you'll find Activity Status. Turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. You can also do it with all other servers. Now, after you've done that, go back. Click on your profile picture at the top. Here, change online status, make sure it's online. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to show Discord game activity on mobile devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.